So today I'm taking a look at these reusable food savers that Food Huggers went ahead and sent to me, starting with this avocado one. So this is going to come in a pack of 2. Right here we're going to have the large one, and here's going to be the medium to small one. Now I only have an avocado this big, it's fairly small, so it might have trouble fitting in over here, and the other piece of avocado I have is just going to be a 1/4 that I didn't finish eating. So here, let me just cut it and kind of see if this one would fit for starters. And the cool thing about this is it does have this portion over here for the seed to go ahead and go in, and it does go ahead and fit, but it's not going to cover it fully, and that's because of course this one isn't going to be big enough. But there are other things I do want to test out with these food savers, and that's going to be these other ones here. So this is going to be a little bit more versatile because there's going to be 5 in here, and you can use them for a variety of things. And here is going to be the biggest of them all, followed by like a medium one, slightly smaller one, a small one, and then a tiny one. So this can be used for like a variety of fruits or vegetables. So right here I want to see, if it fits in any of these. So for starters, here's a cucumber. Now this one, yeah, it's a little bit too small, so maybe this other one would fit a little bit better. And yeah, this goes ahead and fits pretty well like so. And I also do have about half of a tomato. Now this one is not fully round, so I'm not sure if it'll fully fit, but let me test it out with this orange one. And yeah, after moving it a little bit, yeah, that's how it would go ahead and look like. This can also be used on like some sort of jars or lids if you have any liquid. And in this case, I want to go ahead and see how well they work in these cups. So I have some water, I have various sizes. I want to see if it fits in all and any of these and how well it goes ahead and seals it. So I'll start with the biggest of them all, which is going to be this purple one. So yeah, it looks like I can kind of just squeeze it in like that, and I get a seal. And here's what it looks like. And I can go ahead and hold it from here, let go of my hand, and here it's basically just holding it from over there so it doesn't fall. And when I take it off, yeah, so it does have some sort of seal, but I want to see how well this is and if it'll basically prevent spills from here. So let me kind of just shake a little, put it upside down. No water does come out so far. All right, that's actually pretty good. Keeps everything inside. Now, of course, this glass isn't filled. There is some water, as you can see it kind of moving around, but yeah, basically does its job. It keeps everything inside. And now let me test out the next one. So I think this one's going to be a little bit smaller in diameter. So let me see if the red one fits in here. All right, so now this one's a tight squeeze. Oh yeah, this one really grabs onto it. Okay, I think a little bit did come out over here. So let me go ahead and try to fix this and put it a little bit better. All right, so I think I got a better seal now. And let's see if any water comes out. Yeah, so I can kind of shake it around the sides. Nothing. Okay. All right, yep, so that's a lot better now. Now the final thing is going to be with this smaller cup. So I'll see if, yeah, the yellow one's definitely too small. So let's see if this orange one will fit. Nope, still too small. So I think this one will do. And once again, it just fits real easily like that. And I think that should be a much better seal. You can see how it looks like. And if I move it to the side, nothing. Yeah, no liquid goes ahead and comes out now. Here, this will probably be the perfect diameter. Yeah, it's pretty good and it fits pretty tightly. And if I had a thicker banana, it would also work a lot better. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Food Huggers.